Hello and welcome to another ASA video. This is going to be just a super quick video to respond to a question I got about the backup camera on my 89 Wagoneer. I put it in a single DIN head unit that has a screen on it for a backup camera. I showed kind of the install of it, but then ran into some problems because of my neutral safety switch. And I don't think I ever got around to actually showing it working. And so I wanted to fix that, show you guys it actually working. So the camera's still under here. It's still in a temporary setup. I just have it taped into place. I need to also tighten the little screws there once I angle it, but I'm not doing that till the Jeep's actually running, which it isn't doing yet. That'll be my next video. But yeah, there's the camera. It's pointing kind of at the hitch. Again, I haven't, it's just taped into place for now. So let's go ahead and go into the Jeep. I barely fit in here with these seats. There we go. Go ahead and turn the key on. Let the screen come up. It does take a minute to load. It's kind of a slow head unit. And the radio's off. All right, we'll go ahead and put it in reverse. And unfortunately, I'm doing this middle of the day, so I'm getting some glare on my camera from the windshield, but you can see the little string from the tire cover for the spare tire wagging around there. You see there's a little bit of delay. So this isn't the best camera in the world, but the head unit I think was like 50-60 bucks. So obviously it's not going to be the best because I only paid 50-60 bucks for it, and it's small, you know. I want to say it's like a 4.5 inch screen, stuff like that. About the size of an original iPhone screen-wise, and obviously I have to adjust the camera because having almost a third of the screen covered by the bumper isn't doing me any good. But for not having one versus being able to have a backup camera at all, it's worth it to me. I didn't want to spend a lot because if I didn't like it, I didn't want to have a huge investment on it. But I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. The clarity is okay. Obviously it could be better, and maybe in another couple of years, if these become more popular, I would get a higher resolution screen for sure. But for now, this one's perfectly acceptable. I definitely need, like I said, to adjust the camera, and recognize that there's a delay there with that screen. You can see that with that thing wagging around, that it's not a high refresh, it's not a high resolution, a lot of latency there, but it's definitely usable. And for the two things that I'd be using it for, hooking up to a trailer, and when I'm backing up off-roading or whatever, being able to see any low obstacles behind me, it's exactly what it's there for. So anyways, that's just a quick video on the backup camera. If any thoughts or questions, comments, leave those down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.